How to change phone number on Amazon account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can change your phone number and Amazon account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to change your phone number on your Amazon account, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is just go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Amazon shopping app over here. Once you launch the Amazon shopping app, you're gonna be able to see this sort of interface where what you need to do is just tap on this little account icon that you might find. Once you find the account icon over here, what you want to do is right over here you'll find your account, so make sure to tap the your account button, and as you tap on the your account option over here, you should be able to see this option where you have to go to login and security, so make sure to tap on it. Once you tap on login and security, just select the option known as phone number. If you've already added a phone number before, you'll find the edit button. If you have not added, you'll find the add button. So depending upon whatever reasons you might have, just select those specific options here. As you tap on it, simply make sure to enter the new number you'd like to change to, verify with the OTP code, and your phone number will get successfully changed. This way you'll be able to basically change your phone number on Amazon accounts. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.